In this video, we are looking at a professional Mastercam post-processor for the MAZAK Integrex Mark IV 5-axis mill-turn machine. This machine uses the Mazak Matrix T-Series controller. The post-processor is configured for 5-axis mill-turn machining using X, Y, Z linear axes together with V-axis tilt and C-axis rotary motion. This configuration allows the machine to perform complex milling and turning operations in a single setup. The post-processor is designed to generate stable and reliable CNC programs directly from Mastercam. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how this MAZAK Integrex Mark IV Mastercam post-processor works. In upcoming videos, we will also show many other post-processors for different CNC machines and controllers. If you are searching for a specific CNC post-processor, you can contact us directly by email. Now let's continue the video. Now let's continue the video. The MAZAK Integrex Mark IV is a 5-axis mill-turn machining center. It combines turning and milling capabilities into one machine. The machine uses 3 linear axes, X, Y, and Z. It also uses 2 rotary axes, B-axis for tool tilt and C-axis for spindle rotation. This configuration allows the machine to perform simultaneous 5-axis machining and indexed multi-axis operations. Mill-turn machines like the Integrex series are widely used for complex parts that require both turning and milling operations. The post-processor supports this configuration and generates MAZAK-compatible CNC code output. We maintain a large collection of professional CNC post-processors for many different machines and controllers. All of our post-processors are industrial grade and production ready. They are designed to generate stable and reliable CNC programs that can be used directly on real machines. We provide post-processors for many popular CAM software platforms, including Mastercam, SolidCAM, PowerMill, and other professional CAM systems. If you need a new post-processor for your CNC machine, we can help you. We can also modify or fix existing post-processors if they are not working correctly. Many machining problems are caused by incorrect or poorly configured post-processors. In many cases, these problems can be solved quickly by adjusting or rebuilding the post-processor. The post-processor shown in this video is compatible with Mastercam versions, starting from 2024 up to the newest releases, including Mastercam 2026. If you would like to download the MAZAK Integrex Mark IV post-processor package, you can contact us. If you are using another MAZAK machine with Matrix or similar controllers, we may also have a compatible post-processor. Feel free to contact us if you need assistance. We will be happy to help. Thank you for watching.